Hi, Beth. Happy birthday. Sana marami pang karawang dumating sa buhay mo. At enjoyin mo lamang yan. Ipinapanalangin ko na sana kung ano man ang nararamdaman mo sa panahon ngayon, sana gumaling ka na ng tuluyan. Ingatan mo ang sarili mo at lagi mong tatandaang mahal na mahal kita. I love you and I miss you. Miss you, Beth.
Beth, happiest birthday to you, my love. Wish ko at wish naming lahat, sana ay maging isang blessing sa iyong birthday na ito na hinahangad nating lahat. Sa tulong ni Lord, sana naman ay ikaw ay gumaling na sa iyong karamdaman. Si Lord lamang ang makapangyarihan, kaya sana ibigay niya ito sa iyo at sa ating lahat. Ayun lamang, Beth. Happy birthday to you again.
Hello, Beth. Good morning. Dito ay good morning. Happy 50th birthday sa'yo. Kumusta ka na? Nandito ako sa Tikob. Kakatapos lang mag-walking. Okay? Again, happy birthday.
Beth, happy birthday. Wishing you another year of joy and happiness. I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you. Be happy on your birthday.
Hi Beth, happy 50th birthday. I wish you all the best in life. May you have more birthdays to come. I love you.
Happy birthday sa'yo. May you will always be blessed with long life, good health, and happiness. Enjoy your special day. Ingat lagi. God bless.
Happy birthday po, Ate Beth. We miss your spaghetti. Luto ka na ulit. More birthdays to come and enjoy your day.
Hello, Ate Beth. Kamusta? Happy birthday. Wishing you a beautiful year ahead filled with energy, joy, good health, of course, and all the happiness. Ingat.
Ate Beth, happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday. We love you.
Hi, Ate Beth. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Happy 50th birthday. I wish you all the best, good health. Enjoy your birthday. God bless you and your family. See ya. Bye-bye.
Hi Beth, happy 50th birthday. Wishing you that you will always have a good health. Sana magkita ulit tayo someday. And always enjoy your life and take care of your health. God bless. Love you, cousin. Happy birthday.
guidance, and thank you sa pag-aalaga sa amin ng bata kami, pati sa Amsterdam. And thank you rin sa pagbigay ng saya sa ating family, and may God bless with you with good health, more memories, and more years of happiness ahead. Enjoy your day, Tita Beth. And we love you and we miss you. Bye-bye.
Hi Tita, happy birthday! I wish you all the best and especially good health for you. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan and enjoy your day. Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Ate Beth. Wishing you a lifetime of love. Syempre, good health and more God's blessings para sa'yo, kay Kuya Rory and Liam. Ingatan mo ang sarili mo, magpalakas ka, at marami pa tayong bonding moments na gagawin. So, hope to see you soon. I miss you and I love you so much.
Nakauna?
Abay, oo.
Sige, di ba? Hi, Beth!
Hello, Beth.
I heard that somebody is turning 50. And that's you. Have a wonderful and blessed birthday from Tito Sandy, from Nate, from Michael and their families, and of course from me. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Beth, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and more birthdays to come and good health.
Happy birthday, Beth! Malapit na, June 12. Sana ay magkaroon ka ng maligayang kaarawan sa iyong darating na birthday. Maganda na celebration, masaya. At kailangan namin ang iyong magandang kalusugan, magandang pangangatawan. At kami naman ay gustong-gusto namin na makabalik ulit dyan. Miss na namin ang inyong lugar, ang Amsterdam. Namimiss ko yung ating mga happenings dyan. Masaya. Sige, yung mga banding natin. Sana ay nariyan pa kami ngayong birthday mo. Sana ay nakasama kami uli sa food market. Sa KFC, sa Burger King. Yun, hanggang ngayon binabayaran pa ni Junior ang ating food market. Inuutay-utay pa namin bayaran. Ewan, sige, Beth, enjoy your day. At saka kami sabik na sa inyong pagdating dito sa Pilipinas by next year. Okay? Hanggang dito na lamang at wish you all the best. Happy birthday, Lilibet!
Happy birthday, Tita Beth.
Ano ba sabihin? Kantahan natin. Kanta tayo.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday, dear Tita Beth. Happy birthday to you. Love you, Tita Beth. Love you, dali, sabi.
I love you.
Flying kiss. Flying kiss, Miss Tita Beth. Flying kiss. Mwah.
Mm-mm.
Hello, Beth. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy 50th birthday.
50 na ba dito?
50.
Aba, ay 50 ka na pala. Golden girl.
See you next year.
See you next year. Kami pupunta dyan. Hindi ikaw ang pupunta dito. Kami pupunta dyan next year.
Okay, bye.
Happy birthday. Love you. Bye-bye.